Welcome to Tech Creations. Today, I'm going to show you how to create AI videos completely free of cost using a super simple method. That's right, 100% free. No hidden charges, no paid software. Just smart, easy tools anyone can use. Trust me, in every video, I bring something unique, practical, and powerful. And today, I've come up with another brand new trick that can totally change the way you make content. On this channel, we explore the latest AI tools, creative hacks, animation tips, and content creation strategies to help you grow faster. Whether you're a YouTuber, freelancer, or just starting your journey. If you're new and want to learn how to create AI videos, then this channel is the perfect place for you. Everything is explained in a simple, step-by-step way. No technical skills needed. I believe in sharing real value, not just views. And that's what makes Tech Creations different. If you love technology, creativity, and want to learn how to make professional level videos without spending a single rupee, you're in the right place. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell, because we're just getting started. Now let's dive in and learn how to make amazing AI videos for absolutely free. First of all, open Meta AI. Once it's open, select the year option. After that, click on the login button. Meta AI is a powerful tool that helps you create stories, generate images, and even make videos using artificial intelligence. The best thing is, you can use it for free. Just sign in with Gmail, Facebook, or Instagram, and you're ready to go. Meta AI can write scripts, give image prompts, and turn ideas into visuals in seconds. It's fast, smart, and super easy to use. If you want, you can log in using Facebook or Instagram, but I prefer to log in with my Gmail account. Once you log in with Gmail, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth, day, month, and year. Please watch the video till the end if you want to learn how to do all this for free using AI. In this video, I'll show you how to use Meta AI step by step and make amazing content without spending any money. Don't miss it. Watch till the end. Make sure to watch this video till the very end, because I'm showing you how to create amazing AI videos completely for free. If you skip any part, you might miss an important step, and then things won't make sense. I've explained everything in a simple way so anyone, even beginners, can follow along. After entering your email and password, Meta AI will be ready to use. Now, we're going to use Meta AI to create a video. Here, I'll type, "Give me a story of one girl and one boy in a forest, a short story." Now, AI will generate a story for us. You don't have to make the same story I'm making. With Meta AI, you can create any story you want. Whether it's about animals, a fairy tale, a forest adventure, or even a short film about space. It's totally up to you. Just write your idea and Meta AI will help bring it to life. Be creative, use your imagination, and make something unique. That's the beauty of AI. You're free to create anything your heart desires. Next, I'll type, "Give me 10 image prompts of this story." And the AI will give you those prompts. But I wanted more detailed prompts to make my video look even better. So I typed, "Give me prompts in detail." And now I have detailed image prompts. Now, I'll copy one of the prompts, paste it into the AI tool, and the image will be created automatically. Here's the first image based on the prompt. You can see I've already made some beautiful images from these prompts. Then I click on the play button and the image turns into a video. Just follow what I'm doing, step by step, and do the same. After you create the image, you'll see a small play button. Click on that. Sometimes it says animate. Click there too. Once you do that, your image will turn into a video automatically. It's super simple and fun. Keep going the way I'm showing you and you'll get great results. And yes, don't forget to like the video. Your support means a lot and helps me bring more helpful content for you. Let's keep creating amazing videos together using AI. Show you again. I'll paste the second prompt and it will convert into another video. Then I click on Play Animate and boom! The video is ready. Meta AI is a powerful tool that helps you create stories, generate images, and even make videos using artificial intelligence. The best thing is, you can use it for free. Just sign in with Gmail, Facebook, or Instagram, and you're ready to go. Meta AI can write scripts, give image prompts, and turn ideas into visuals in seconds. It's fast, smart, and super easy to use. Look at how Meta AI has created videos with such incredible methods. I can create videos just like that, just like the ones you see here, completely for free. Whether it's an emotional story, a motivational tale, or even a sci-fi adventure, the possibilities are endless. With AI, you can bring any story to life effortlessly. No need for expensive tools or complex software. Just ideas and creativity, and the rest is handled by AI. It's amazing how easily you can turn your thoughts into professional-looking videos with every detail crafted to perfection. This is how I will make all the videos one by one. Now, I'll open CapCut and one by one, I'll add all the images and animations according to my short story. And just like that, my short story video is complete. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the next video, I'll bring you another cool and new method to create AI videos.